Let's do it! Just say the word.
Anytime.
Ready?
Set.
Let it rip!
Yo, yo.
Let's go.
What is going on, everybody? Your camera's down. What is going on, everybody? NBA 36. We done it. We filled our Nat treasures, so we're still getting those cameras adjusted. How are we all for a Saturday break? It's been a minute since we've done a bit of a Saturday. All right, we might have to adjust some of the cameras halfway through, but I know that you guys will bear with us for this one. This morning, today. No, sorry, this morning, still 11 o'clock. Wherever we are. What's going on, Jackie? How are we, guys? We've obviously got some exciting product on today's break table. We've got some 18-19, some Luka Doncic rookie year. We've got some Trey Young in there as well. Same as some DeAndre Ayton, as you can see on the front pack there. We've also got a Court Kings blaster. Some of you guys would be yet to see the 18-19 Court Kings. It's a rip first. We haven't broken a box of Court Kings, so or is it the boxes in here? It's the boxes, eh? Obviously, we've got the 1920 Mosaic Mega as well. We haven't broken that since our very first break, since NBA number 1. We've got some Crown Royale, and obviously got our National Treasures debut. That is the 16-17 collegiate section, so they'll be in their college uniforms. We don't have the checklist up today, but we'll do, obviously, if you guys know who they were drafted to, shout them out in the comments. Get active. We want to hear it. Alrighty, lads. I'll run through the teams. Congratulations to everybody in today's break. Hopefully we can let it rip for you all. Up first, welcome, brother. Adam Burrows picked up the Hawks today. Andrew McClay's got the Celtics. Welcome, Andrew. He come in and he started filling this like crazy. So he's a big reason why we could break tonight. So massive shout out, bro, and welcome. Hopefully we can return the favor. Jimmy Mandalis has got the Nets today. Jeremy Watson's got his Hornets. Coatsy picked up the Bulls. Case Caddy, Marty Flynn's got the Cavs today. Ryan Joey's got the Mavs. How can I shade that? Ryan Joey's got the Mavs today, so hopefully we've got some 18-19 Luka for you, brother. Chris Nelson's got the Nugs. Again, congratulations, Chris. Jackson Brewer's got the Pistons. Ryan Joey's also got the Warriors. Jackson Brewer's got the 76ers. Austin McCourt with the Rockets. Josh Hohua and Help Yourself Boys have got the Indiana Pacers today. He lands some good teams, that fella. Andrew McClay, he gets the Clippers today. Case Caddy, Marty Flynn, he's picked up the Lakers. Congratulations, brother. Shane Nielsen, welcome back, brother, to the NBA. He's got the Grizz today. Best of luck, man. Jake Power, he's got the Heat. Some fat teams there. James Stapleton's got the Bucks. Adam Burrows is back with the Timberwolves. Jimmy Stapleton's got his Knicks. Andrew McClay's got the OKC Thunder. Help Yourself Boys have got the Magic as well. Tom Rolfe's got the Suns. Tadaya's got his Blazers. Jimmy Mandela's got the Spurs. Chris Nelson's got the Raptors. Andrew McClay with the Jazz. Adam Burrows with the Wizards. Jimmy Stapleton with the Kings. And Craigie McPherson picked up the Pelicans today. Awesome. All right, guys. Might go. What do you want to go first? 1920 Mega? Or Blaster? Yeah, Mega first? Blaster. All right.
How are we, Danny?
What's going on, Danny? All right. He's called it first. All right. Now we need to adjust this back down. Sorry, guys. It's the way that the boxes looked. The way that I stacked them up. Stacked them up last minute. Can you get some more? Yeah. Alrighty. Here we go. 18-19. Cork Kings Blasters. So you got 2 acetates like the 1920s per box on average. We might be able to see another couple of gems in there as well. Hopefully a Luka.
Luka acetate is pretty fresh.
Very nice. They don't need to be.
Get them going.
Yeah. All right, let's get the lads going. Let it rip. Here we go. There's the empty box. Here is the first pack for NBA 36. Oh, that's a little bit how you going in your face. A little bit there. The way we like it. All right. First pack is off to an average start. The hands. Here we go. First up for the Dallas Mavericks. We've got a Dirk Nowitzki. Might have to change focus. Second up for the New York Knicks, James Stapleton. We're going to let it rip into a Kristaps Pony Porzingis. Behind here, looks like it's going to be for the Bucks. How cool are the 18-19 Cork Kings, bro? There it is, the Bucks. I reckon they're way better. Oh, look at that. There's your boy, Giannis. James Stapleton. That is a sick card. How do you not think that those are so much better than the 1920s? And, oh, let it rip into a second-year Tatum for Andrew McClay. Nice rip there, bro. And for the Chicago Bulls and Jason Coates, we're going to let it rip into a Jabari Parker. Nice. I'm a fan. How about you guys? What do you reckon, Blakey?
I'm a fan, bro. Always a fan.
Still the same as 1920, you think? They've got the whole background and everything. Look at the color on these. Bonzo ball for the LA Lakers. Let it rip into a Nikola Mirotic for Craig McPherson and the Pels. Oh, nice. He's going to be our first rookie acetate for the pack. Oh, there's like a gold border on that. Let it rip into a Landry Shamet. There you go. Nice. Jackson Brewer. A little bit of Landry for you, bro. I still have that gold border on it. First acetate. We'll take that. We've got a Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. And for the Minnesota T-Wolves, we're going to let it rip and finish on a Karl Anthony Towns. That's speed, bro.
That's good, bro.
I want to get this camera focused, but I know that how's it all sounding, guys? A little bit quiet on the comments. I know it's a daytime break. Maybe a few less beers than normal.
Yeah, no, it's full of beers. Full of coffee.
Yeah. Up first for the Atlanta Hawks, Jalen. Jeremy Lin. Jeez. We're going to let it rip into a Jamal Murray. These are like the drop posters, bro, that are, you know what I mean? Like, seriously, these are sick. Oh, we got an emerging artist. Here we go, guys. Here is our rookie insert for the pack. For the New York Knicks, Alonzo Trier. Might not be rookie, sorry. D'Lo for the Nets. And for the Lakers to finish on, let it rip into a Kyle Kuzma. Kuz. All right. This is the fourth pack. Oh, nice. KD. The Golden State Warriors.
I really want to see Luke in these 18 ones.
And up next for the Washington Wizards, we've got an Otto Porter Jr. I'm with you there, Blakey. For the Atlanta Hawks, We're going to let it rip into a Torian Prince. We're 180 here. Oh, that's a green, guys. Excuse me. We're going to let it rip into a Paul George PG. That's a green foil on that. The mad shakes.
Oh, shake, yeah. That's what I was gonna say.
Take a breath, Benny. Shit, baby. Thunder. For the 76ers, we're going to let it rip into a Benny Simmons. Here you go, Jacko. I think it's because there's something big coming in the Nat Treasures. Why I'm a little shaky. All right. For the Sacramento Kings, we've got a Buddy Hield. For the LA Lakers, LeBron James. There he is, Case Caddy. Alrighty, we've got our second acetate of the pack. We're going to let it rip into a Miles Bridges. The Jeremy Watson and the Charlotte Hornets. Sick acetates too.
I trade him.
He did too. For the Detroit Pistons, we've got a Reggie Jackson. And for the Dallas Mavericks, Cork Kings, we're going to let it rip into a DeAndre Jordan. All right, two more. Oops. Bit aggressive, Benny. We've got a Pau Gasol for the San Antonio Spurs. For the Minnesota T-Wolves, we've got an Andrew Wiggins. Up next, what's this? Let it rip into a Blake Griffin. Renaissance Men. That's a cool. That's a very cool insert. We got the Pistons tonight. Jackson Brewer. Nice pickup, brother. Let it rip into a Joe Harris. And for the Lakers, we're going to finish on a Brandon Ingram. I swear we've got the whole starting team for the Case Caddy. What do you guys think of the draft?
Oh, I thought Giannis was going to get traded.
He's waiting for it. D Booker for the Suns.
I was hoping he was going to the Heat.
Let it rip into Tobias Harris for the Clippers. Call him Heat, are you?
Yeah, I thought so.
All right.
And I read something. Believed it. Looks so.
A little rumor. Oh, nice. I think this one's going to go out to Austin McCord. We've got a, nice. Let it rip. There we go. Points in the paint of Yao Ming. Excuse the focus today, guys. Struggling to focus a little bit on that one. For the Pelicans, we've got a Drew Holiday. Shit, baby. Let's go. Come on. For the Pels. And for the Hawks, we're going to finish on a John Collins. All right, the rookies are still hiding. Up first.
Yeah, go mosaic.
Let's crack these mosaics. The first time that we opened these, we found Jarrett Culver, Genesis.
You probably Benny Simmons too.
Nah. Oh, I completely cut the box there.
Go hard, don't you?
Well, I didn't go any harder than I normally do. Just a little bit softer. What's going on, guys?
Quiet on the comments.
Very quiet. Ooh. A little fat. Let's pull those ones out. Just because I cut the box, I was a little bit careful there. The empty pack. Sorry, empty box. All right. Yeah, empty pack soon. Let it rip. Been a while since we've hit some mosaics as well.
Now it's cool cards.
Oh, this is really going to fuck with the focus. Can you hold them? I'm going to quickly adjust this focus, guys. Give you guys a better viewing stream. Give me...
Scary Terry. No. We're swapping jobs, bro.
Go. Take that off. And then we're going to go. There we go.
That's good.
All right. Thank you, brother. Thank you for your patience, guys. We've got a Scary Terry. As Blakey mentioned, we've got an Otto Porter Jr. for the Chicago Bulls. A Will Barton for the Denver Nuggets. We've got a blue reactive rookie, PJ Washington Jr. NBA debut. Blue reactive. Let it rip. And for the Timberwolves, a will to win. Karl Anthony Towns. We've got a USA Magic Johnson for the Lakers. And behind here, we have a rookie of Kai Bowman for the Golden State Warriors. We've got an MVP Mosaics for the Milwaukee Bucks. Jimmy Stapleton, let it rip. MVP of Giannis. Alrighty, up next for the Memphis Grizzlies. I think it's definitely the time frame today, bro. Malik Monk. Again, this isn't usual for us. Blakey's just going away for the weekend, so if we didn't get it done now, we wouldn't have been able to get it done till Tuesday. Josh Richardson, 76ers. We've got another blue reactive here. Looks like it's going to be a USA. Nice. We're going to let it rip into a KD for the Brooklyn Nets. Nice. USA blue reactive. Good pickup, Jimmy. Nets pay off, eh?
They always do.
Scottie Pippen for Jason Coates. The Chicago Bulls. Oh, let it rip. There he is. NBA debut, Ja Morant. Let it rip, Shane. And we've got another rookie behind here. And we've got a Cody Martin for the Charlotte Hornets. And we're going to finish on a Vince Carter. Who's he playing now? USA. Been around the block and back. Alrighty. Up next, we've got a Kyle Lowry for the Toronto Raptors. Jonas Valanciunas for the Grizz. We've got a Marcus Smart, the Sellies. Behind here, we've got another blue reactive. We'll let it rip into it. Donovan Mitchell for the Utah Jazz. Andrew McClay. There you go, brother. Silver here for the Atlanta Hawks. We've got DeAndre Bembry. Adam Burrows. Nice pickup, bro. Silver's sick. Nice pickup here for Taraya. Here we go, bro. Let it rip into a Nas Little Mosaic rookie. We've got another NBA debut behind here. We're going to let it rip into a Cam Reddish. Once again for Adam Burrows. And behind here, it looks like we're going to have a Suns rookie of Cam Johnson. Nice little rookie pack there. I like Mosaic and I didn't like Mosaic, and I'm coming back to coming full circle again. I'm a fan. Oh, there you go. Luka Doncic, second year. That's what I do best. Let it rip. Colin Sexton for the Cavs. We've got a George Hill for the Milwaukee Bucks. Our Red Wave reactive. Oh, let's go. Joel Embiid. We've got a something behind here. NBA debut. Looks like it's going to be a silver. Oh, for the Pelicans, Nico Melly. Oh, Melly. Craig McPherson, how nice would Zion been on that? Shit, baby. Big. Huge. Let it rip into a pistol Pete Maravich for Adam again. Oh, nice. Again for Adam Burrows cleaning up with another rookie of Cam Reddish. And another NBA debut here. For the Golden State Warriors, it's going to be a Jordan Poole. Let's go, guys. How are we? Come on. What are we doing this weekend? Other than being quiet.
What are the plans tonight?
Yeah. Saturday night. Bruce Brown. Surely you're up to something. I think it's date night again. CJ McCullum.
Date night, son.
For the Trailblazers. We've got a Duncan Robinson. Nice pickup. The Miami Heat. Here's our reactive of Brad Beal for the Washington Wizards. Once again, Adam. He had a few spots, didn't he? Behind here, we've got a Jam Masters. We're going to let it rip into a Blake Griffin for the Detroit Pistons. We're going to let it rip into a Quindari Weatherspoon for the San Antonio Spurs. We've got another NBA debut here. We're going to let it rip into a Kendrick Nunn for Jake Power, Miami Heat. The last rookie for the pack is going to go out to the San Antonio Spurs in a Luka. The sandwich man. Deli. For the Boston Celtics, we got a Kemba Walker. For Josh Hohua and the Pacers, Demandas Sabonis. Let it rip into a Josh Okogie. Here is our red reactive of Nasir Little. There you go. Nice pickup, Rip City themselves in Tadaya. Behind here, let it rip into an Anthony Hardaway. Old school. We've got another NBA debut behind here for the Memphis Grizzlies and Brandon Clark. Nice pickup, Shane. Pick that last name. We've got an Ignas Brazdeikis rookie Ignas Brazdeikis base rookie and a Hall of Fame finish on as a Pat Ewing. Once again, back-to-back, James Stapleton with the Knicks. 4 packs of these Moseys. Oh, we're going to finish on that or than that? Yeah, finish on the corners. Nah. Evan Fournier. What do you all that Magic? Yeah. We've got a Glenn Robinson the third. Golden State. Second year Trey Young for the Atlanta Hawks. We've got a Bled. I don't even know if he's a blue or red. Blue or red. Blue and red. Oh, let it rip. OKC Thunder. Who are the Thunder today?
OKC was.
Where are they? Andrew McClay. There you go, brother. Darius Baisley rookie. We've got a got game behind here of Giannis. Once again, he's been in every box so far. James Stapleton.
Well, I hope he's in every box.
All right, we've got another rookie behind here for the Pacers. Josh Hohua. Got a rookie card of Goga. We've got a D Wade. That'll go to the Bulls, I believe, from Coatsy. And finishing on an Eric Pascal. Golden State Warriors. 3 packs left of the Moseys. What have we got? We found Jar. We found a reactive of Hassan Whiteside. There's obviously reactives in every pack, but which yet to hit someone huge. Spencer Dinwiddie on Trezor Harrell. We've got a Daniel House Jr. Houston Rockets. Looks like this one's going to go out to Cleveland. Tristan Thompson.
Okay, Scotty.
You got the Cavs tonight.
Today. Yeah, okay, Scotty.
He sure does. And for the Lakers, we got a got game. Here we go. The King, LBJ.
I think everyone's having a few rips today. That's why be quiet.
Terrence Mann. I know what's up.
The only way to spend a
Saturday. Behind here for the Cincinnati Royals, Oscar Robertson. He'll go out to the Bucks. I think, yeah. And our final rookie of the pack, we're going to finish on a Kyle Guy. Last two. Then we'll go Nat Treasures. Or
Go Crown. Go Crown.
Crown. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Forgot about the Crown. Low key.
Then go no.
Got a Tim Hardaway Jr.
We go to no.
for the Dallas Mavs.
Open National Treasures. 5 years.
Ennis Cantor, Boston Celtics. You guys let us know what you want to see.
Yeah, which one's next?
No one's actually in the break. Everyone's just creeping. We got a Rajon Rondo. We've got a green reactive. Got game here. Oh, there he is. Excuse me. I've got one behind that. You just hold. I've already let it rip. I've got another card behind that last one, guys. But there is a Luka Doncic green mosaic. Got game. Let it rip.
Pretty sick little card behind this as well.
Yeah.
You say?
Yeah. I called it. So we're waiting on a big player. All right. And behind here, for the Golden State Warriors, we got a Steph Curry. There he is. Congratulations, Ryan Joey. We've got a Kareem for the Lakers. We've got a rookie card here of Admiral Schofield on the Washington Wizards. And an NBA debut to finish on. Oh, let it rip. Coatsy gets his Kobe White. It's his PC there.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
All right, last pack for the 1920 Mosaics. We found a Got Game green of Luka, Steph Curry, blue reactive, Pascal Spicy P, Siakam, Markel Fultz, Jordan Clarkson for the Jazz. We're gonna let it rip into a Tremont Waters rookie for the Sellies. Oh, we've got this is your like painted glass, is it?
No. Don't say that.
For the Celtics again. We're going to let it rip into a Dennis Johnson. It's sick.
Similar, eh?
Similar,
They
right?
do look like they're stained glass.
We've got behind here KPJ. Now, did anybody see did you see the photo of him?
Can you get done?
Bro, he looked like
With a
he
gun or
looked,
some shit?
was it a gun, was it? I don't know, he looked like he's on drugs or something.
Right, yeah, I don't think he'll be playing this season.
Oh, nice. There he is, the big bird. Larry Bird for the Sellies. And we're going to finish on a Keldon Johnson for Jimmy Mandalis and the San Antonio Spurs. Woo. Nice little Mosey pack.
What do you
I'll
want
be
to see
back.
next?
We're going to go Crown. Here we go, 8 cards per pack. These cards are in the shape of crowns. Got a couple of numbers. Looking for on-card autos. Here they are. You like that Halo music. Oh.
Let's see. Come on, big Z auto.
Yeah, why not?
Come on.
Too much to ask for.
Why not? Give us a treat. Let's just treat ourselves.
Oh. You got the. Can you get the box?
I want
Can
that.
you get a box?
Yeah.
Just the Corkins one.
Yeah.
Oh, there, bro.
Damn.
Alrighty, guys.
Jimmy, you gotta message me after this, brother.
James Stapleton, that is.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're gonna go from the top here. I've picked up a few behind here, so we're gonna go for the one-for-one reveal. We're gonna start on a Giannis MVP, King Giannis. Crown Royale base card. Behind here, we've got a rookie. Looks like it's going to be for the Celtics. Let it rip. Nice. Into a Carson Edwards. Great rip there, Andrew. And for the Atlanta Hawks again, Adam Burrows. Cleaned up in the minis. Cleaning up with some cards. Let it rip into a bronze. John Collins. Not numbered. Sorry, excuse me. That was an orange cracked ice.
John.
Of Johnny Boy. The lighting's not the flashiest today, but there's a little cracked ice in there. Congratulations. Not a bad player as well.
No, not at all.
See how we go here. Might be too bright, but we'll see how we go, guys. Oh, congratulations. An heir to the throne, rookie R.J. Barrett
Oh, that is sick.
for the New York Knicks. Let it rip. James Stapleton again. And when we flip this over, it's also going to be 40 of 99. And it's also going to be James Harden and the Houston Rockets, Austin McCourt. There you go, boys. So we'll random that after the stream to determine who will get that. Heir to the throne.
That's a cool card.
That's an epic looking card. Congratulations, lads. Paper, scissors, rock. All right. Oh,
Fuck. What?
I don't know. I just saw a team.
Don't do it to me, Benny.
All right. Up first, we've got a heir to the throne. Oh. Oh. For the Suns. Cam Johnson. Sorry about the pause there. I'm just coming to realizations. What's coming next? Oh, bro. I almost passed out. Because you called it earlier. Oh, I'm starting to get a bit dizzy.
Literally, yeah.
Fuck me. Is it hot in here? Is it just me?
Oh,
Here we go.
Okay, that spot up too.
Oh, man, that rocked me. Tom Rolfe, congratulations, brother. Oh, that rocked me. All right. I want to go.
What is it?
Just going to go for the reveal here. All right. Up next. Oh, stop it. Knocking the camera. All right. This looks like it's going to be our auto of the pack.
Or the
You can call it. Wah,
Galleys.
wah. Here it is. For Craigie McPherson. Jackson, hey. Shit. Oh, let it rip, lad. Oh, man, what a card. That is still so nice. 25.
That is sick.
Let it rip. What a patch auto. We will take that with that reveal. Congratulations, Craig. See, just that light a little bit. There's a little smudge on that ink, but take it.
Woo. That's a nice patch.
Oh, this is suspense. Sorry, guys, I had to. That was how I felt. All right.
Scared the shit out of me.
We've got a Lowry McKinnon for the Bulls. That was nice. I'm happy with that. Still, Jackson Hayes, your second rookie out of those Pels. For the Celtics, we're going to finish on another Romeo Langford. Rookie.
Yes, stands.
Oh, yeah.
Good. All those boxes down.
Oh, that camera is going for a ride. Whew. What's up, Toddy?
That was scary.
We'll get this definitely. This is very annoying.
This is the
It's going for a ride, G. All right. Far out. I wasn't expecting that out of those. All right. Where are we going to go next?
The nut.
We doing that?
Yeah. Why not?
You guys let us know if there's anything you want to see in particular.
I reckon Nat Treasures. I reckon for sure.
All right.
She's heavy.
She is heavy. All right.
Feel like
All right. We got 8 collegiate basketball cards. Is it 8? It just says might be like Series 8. My bad. Soon gonna find out. As you can tell, it is our National Treasures debut. Never thought that we'd actually break a box of Nat Treasures, let alone so soon. NBA only 36. We have to tally up how many we've done in general. Holy, look at that.
I'll take that box home, bro, for sure.
Nah, this is mine. You got the immaculate. You took it. You took it, you dog.
Do I have?
Yep, you know you do too. Wow, what a great looking box, man. Jeez. Oh, we'll get rid of that little. What was that?
Put it on that box.
Jeez. Oh, love breaking these big products, but I also. Woo!
It's full wood.
Fully. Oh,
Polished wood.
yeah, warm the hands up a little bit. Tag the lads. Let's go. Come on, round them up. Here we go.
Let's see
The
something.
2 biggest boxes.
Giannis is coming out of the box. Gotta open that too.
I know. I knew that.
It's your rookie year, mate.
It is our rookie year. Let's close that. Can you like talk or something?
Oh yeah. The suspense. Alright.
Look at that. It's not his first rodeo. He's done this before.
They can come out a lot easier.
Easy.
Oh, is it? Taking full credit?
Full credit cards. Oh, did I just see a logo, man?
Don't say that.
Once again, guys, we're going to do our best to call. It's a booklet. It's a booklet.
It's a booklet. Boy.
Nice. All right. I'm going to have to readjust this lighting here. All right. Jeez. Here we go, guys. Best of luck, everybody. We've got our blanket there if we want to do another reveal. Take off the top 3. And once again, these are all in their college uniforms. So we'll do the due diligence after the break and make sure that these all go out to the right rookie teams.
Yeah. Fuck off. Don't look at me like that.
First, we've got 85 of 99, Harrison Barnes. Might be Golden State. Up next, we've got a red. Oh, Larry Bird to 49 for the Sellies. Indiana State University colors. And behind here, it's going to be sideways card. And Behind here, we've got a rookie on-card auto of Wayne Snelden Jr. RPA. Playing for Kansas, University of Kansas City. Wayne Snelden Jr. I've seen his name few places, but can't pin it. Nice. Those on-cards hit very, very good. All right, up next, we've got a triple patch to 99. It's going to be Bryce Johnson, JP Tokoto, and Marcus Page. University of North Carolina.
Really outstanding. I know. They in a box, are they?
Up next, we've got another on-card, RPA of the Chiller, Cliff Alexander, another Kansas, University of Kansas player. I think the sun's, because we usually stream at night and we've got the blinds open, the sun's starting to come out and hit on the cards a little bit differently. Hopefully it is all good at home. Oh, here we go. I think this one will go out to the Brooklyn Nets. Karis LeVert to 49 RPA.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Let it rip, Jimmy. That is a great hit. Let it rip. Karis LeVert. Let's get it in. I don't mind the college uniforms because I sort of, even though I see the cards coming up, I'm still like, you don't realize who it is until you read the name. Now this one, I believe, will go out to the Houston Rockets. Austin McCourt, rookie card, 51 of 99. Gary Payton II, RPA. Awesome. Look at the triple colors in that, orange, white, and black. What a hit, let it rip. Jeez, we've still got the Cornerstones.
Oh, bro. Oh, look at that. Oh.
All right, up next. Oh, yes. To 25, Rico Gathers. Look at that lime. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's like a lime colored patch. That is sick. I've never seen anything like it. It's got a silver hit to it as well.
Right.
Might just quickly adjust that. Can you hold that there, Jim? Or, yeah.
24 of 25. This next card's nice.
Oh. Alright, give us a sec, guys. I'm just going to make sure that we can get this exposure set a little bit better. There we go. Alright. Now the sun will go back down, eh? There we go. There's a little bit of a lime hitting that. Sticker auto, 24 of 25. All right, here we go. We've got a die cut up next, and this one's going to be to 99. Going to go out to the Case Caddy and the Lakers. Brandon Ingram.
Yes.
Let it rip. There it is.
That's sick. On card.
Wow, on card auto. Brandon Ingram. 1890. Sorry, 1890. 1670. 1890.
That's our next product.
I was looking at the next one. 1670, so that's his rookie card too.
That's sick.
Shit, let's go. All right. Here we go. This is our first booklet. Another rip first. Who's got it? To 49. We've got a Wade Baldwin the fourth. That Treasures Signatures. Not sure who this is going to go out to. If you guys know, let us know in the comments. We do need to get these up on... Oh, wow. Look at that. That is a booklet, all right. I'm just going to put that... Here we go. Look at that.
Yeah, we're going to sleeve that. Sleeve half the side each.
We're going to have to get some sleeves for these.
Booklet
What a
sleeve.
hit booklet. Yeah, they do them.
Do they?
Yeah. What an awesome looking card. Wade Baldwin. Let me do a quick research. Wade Baldwin. Yeah, there's Trailblazers, is he? Yeah. Yeah, looks like it's going to go to the Blazers. He's now in the European League. Sorry.
Grips.
Grip City?
Grips.
Oh, Grizz.
Grizz.
Excuse me. Here he
Thank
is.
you for the Grizz.
Shane Nielsen. Picked up the
Nice.
booklet. Congratulations, bro. Far out. What
Get
a...
sleeve for that.
For sure. That's all right, lad. We'll get that sorted for you ASAP. We'll be able to pick some up. Here we go. The last box for the break. What a break it's been so far. You said you weren't going to put it much up, and he couldn't not. You still haven't put up what? Yeah, there's still so many that we could have put up.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Oh, bro, don't do that to me.
Oh, this is. Imagine Luka Auto. Just imagine.
Don't say that, bro. Oh man, here we go. We've only opened up the 17, 18 of these. I need to different.
Trying to get a appropriate song. Oh, this will do.
All right. Here we go, guys. 18-19 Cornerstones debut. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Good luck, Ryan, Joey, and Adam Burrows. Let it rip, guys. Up first for the Utah Jazz, Andrew McClay. Number 10 of 39. 139. Rudy Gobert. Up next, we've got Unbreakables. Vince Carter. Adam Burrows and the Atlanta Hawks. Sick inserts. The card's a little bit bent there, but hopefully the toppy will straighten that out. Colours though. I'm going to try my best to keep my cool. Up next, for the Detroit Pistons, Keystone Signatures. And you see colours too, don't you? Bro, stop it. A Keystone Signatures of Rick Mahorn for the Pistons. I'll fucking pass out, bro. I almost did before. Yeah, fucking Jackson Hayes. Oh, I'm starting to get lightheaded. Oh, I don't want to look. I'm not going to look. Blakey, don't look. Oh my. Oh my God.
Bro. Oh my. Bro, that's pretty solid.
Stop.
Holy fuck.
Fuck me.
I fucking called it, bro. I fucking called it.
Oh, baby.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, shit. Round the lads up.
Holy fuck.
Round the lads up.
Holy shit.
Get it ready.
Bro.
Oh,
We need a proper
Stop.
touch.
oh, stop. We've got a Lakers. Oh, I can't even read it. I can't even read it. Svi Macmillan. I'm not even going to do it. Oh my God, Blake.
Bro, we've done it. Finally. Yes. Fucking did it.
Is it it? Is it?
Bro,
It's got to be it. It's got to be it.
Look how fat it is.
I know, bro.
And that's to be the cold patch with the auto, bro. That's actually.
Oh, you're kidding. Ryan, Joey, let's go.
That has to be massive.
Oh man, I need to recoup. Just give us a second here, guys.
Holy fuck.
Fuck.
Holy
Oh, I don't want to do it. Get it ready.
Yeah, hang on. Give me 1 second, bro. Fucking freaking out.
Oh.
We're gonna put it straight into this.
Yeah, G.
From that to this.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna probably put it straight in and then reveal because I don't want to reveal it to the camera. Hopefully, you guys understand that.
Should I put something there and we'll
Yeah.
flip it and
Yeah.
do you want to move it over a second?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll cover it up so they can't see it.
Oh.
Holy fuck, bro.
Oh.
Do you want me to do it or you do it?
That's right. I'll do it.
You do it.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Holy
god.
fuck, holy fuck.
Stop.
Fuck. Fuck.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Fuck. Fuck.
Stop.
Fuck. Ryan, Joey. Fucking Jesus.
Oh my god.
Yes. Yeah, buddy. Oh my god, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck yes.
Let it rip.
Go.
Let it rip, alright.
Holy
Ryan,
shit.
Joey. Here you go, brother.
Here you go.
Lulu, on guard. RPA.
Let's
go. Woohoo.
Holy fuck.
There it is.
That's
You're
over-
kidding.
That's about a 15 grand card, bro. Easy. Like $15,000.
Ungraded.
Easy, bro.
Woo! Congratulations,
Holy shit.
Joey. We've done it.
That pays
Oh
off.
my god, that is 190 of 199. Ah, let it rip.
Yes.
Congratulations, brother.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh.
Lulu.
Oh my god.
Came.
Bro.
Holy fuck.
We came, we saw.
We can't
Yes.
we can't get, let's go.
That's a big
Oh
thing.
my god.
Oof.
And not to shadow, excuse me, look at my hands, bro.
Ah, look at the delayed streak.
Yeah. Alright, there's one we're going to finish on number 10 of 49. Blue Cornerstones of D'Angelo Russell.
We haven't even had a comment the whole time.
I know. Imagine if we cracked that
RPA
last
Luka.
night. Imagine if we cracked that last
Holy
night.
fuck.
Oh, wow. We've done it.
Oh my god.
Look, guys, there it is.
Oh
I
my
can't get over that.
God.
Congratulations, Ryan Joey Johansson.
Well done, Ryan.
Lulu
I
Auto.
am so jealous.
We've got the quad patch.
I am so jealous.
That is our biggest rip today.
Yeah, bro, for sure. For sure. Oh,
Whoa,
fuck
whoa,
me,
whoa,
bro.
whoa.
Like, whoa.
Oh, man. All right, we're gonna do photos and everything like that. You guys will see the hits and the guy. You guys say less, let it rip.
Oh my god.
Thank you everybody that persevered and watched. Love the comments, but hope you guys enjoy the replay as much as we have. Woo.